Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today's day 19, guys, and I am relaxing today. Um, so I'm still reading The Reckoning, and so far the trial is over. So I won't tell you what happened, but we still don't know why the man killed. So I'm about 150 page in, and I have no clue. So I am definitely gonna get another 100 page in today, and then I am going to probably most likely try to finish it tomorrow or by Friday and review it Friday. But it's one of those where I'm thinking this better be some damn good reason, because for the John Gresham to carry on his story this long and we have no clue, it's not even like a hint of clue of what really went down. It's like I have a bit of speculation of what, but no clue. So as far as that goes, he's doing a really good job. So yeah, I give him that. So I want to talk about a series that I enjoyed this year that is underrated. Not a lot of people talk about this series, and it's one of the series that love it. So, and that is the Morgan Dane series, and this is by Melinda Lee. So there's 6 books in the series, and 4 is out. 2 don't come out till next year, which I didn't know. I thought they were all already out, and it turned out that the 5th book is getting released on March 19, and then the 6th is in September of next year. So both are going to be released next year, and that's the end of the series. Now, the first book I read, I didn't read this year, I read last year, and Say You're Sorry, and I thought it was okay. So this is basically, Morgan Dane is a lawyer. She was a defense lawyer. Well, no, she was a prosecutor. Then she turned into a defense lawyer in the first book in the series, where she was defending her neighbor who was accused of a murder, and turned out that she defended him because she believed he didn't do it, but she was trying to prove the case, and she also had her reservation about it because as a prosecutor, she's always thinking of the bad guy, but for some reason she just felt like he wasn't. She defended him, and of course in that she became like somewhat not liked, but it was a good story. But I wasn't blown away. So it took a couple of months till, probably I think it was spring of this year. I said, okay, let me pick up the second one, which was called Her Last Goodbye. And this one was when I'm like, okay, the series is good. And this one is a husband who is basically, his wife is missing. And of course, naturally, when that happens, the husband becomes suspect. And of course, he sought after her, Morgan Dane, in order to prove and to find his wife, and some part his innocence in it. And that one I like. The suspense is good, and I was definitely now really interested in the series. Then when I got to Bones Don't Lie, I was sold. This is when I really was like, oh, everybody needs to read this series. And this one was dated back where they found a father was missing for years, and they found a car and presumed that the body in the car was maybe his. Of course, the bones wasn't, but there's all these cases of how, and this was probably the best book I've read where the suspense was so out there. Like, I really couldn't have guessed, even if I tried, I really couldn't guess who the killer was. I really couldn't guess how they were going to turn the story. Like, this is when I was like, oh, everybody need to read this book. Because this is kind of suspense I love in books. So then when I got to the 4th book, which is the last one I read so far, and what I've done, before I got there, I was like, she couldn't do any better than Bones Don't Lie. Like, I couldn't imagine her, and this one was even better. And I'm like, this series, I need them all. So I was a little bit disappointed because I really thought the 5th one was out. So now I have to wait, and it's called Secrets Never Die, and this one comes out March 19 of next year. And then the last one is Save Your Breath, and that one comes out September 17 of 2019. So if you're looking for a series, and they're quick reads, they're still, roughly 3 something 100 pages, but they quick read. Like because they're so good and the suspense is really good, that you, once you pick it up, you're not gonna want to put the book down. And again, all these I read on ebook, so you know, and I'm waiting for all the series to come out, because I would definitely buy all six books together. I'm waiting for that, so I just get like you know, all the paperback and get them as a book and collect them, because I would definitely read it again, and I would love for someone to pick it up as a series, because it should be on TV. That's how I feel about it. So that is it. I'm gonna continue doing some reading, also some blog stuff. I'm still writing and working on a few blog posts, and I have pictures. So hopefully you guys watched my yesterday video, which was fun to do, because it was, you know, me out and about and doing stuff that's not just books. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.